In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to choose this section called Display and Brightness. Then scroll again, select Fonts, and here pick one of those. You can check out Preview at the top. Once you finish, go back to check it out. As you can see, after a few seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to make it more interesting though, tap on plus icon next to those two available fonts, hit Allow All, and select one of those. After finding a perfect one, download it, hit Apply and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed again. Now, you should remember that you can always go into Themes app as well. Select Agree, hit Me at the bottom right corner, and select Fonts section available under Wallpapers. Then after tapping on System Fonts, you can access all of yours, downloaded one and default ones. You can also download new ones by clicking on this plus at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!